Achoo! Oh, hi. Yo. Achoo! Hi, I'm sick.
No shit, Sherlock.
Sick. Oh, I need to do something to make me feel better. What do you do when you're sick?
Asshole.
Maybe
Asshole.
will cheer me up while I'm sick. Will you create a
Asshole.
with me? We're in a hot desert. I feel like I'm going to. Twinklemies. Hi, Charlie. What are you doing here? And I'm
The prophecy is true.
Oh, you're sick.
Oh shit,
I think I have the
Asshole.
sneezes.
This asshole.
Sneezes? Uh-huh. And every time I sneeze, I end up in a different
Asshole.
See? Our
Asshole.
is getting sticky. Yo. Castle.
Strip club.
Story. What? Try again. I have the
Asshole.
sneezes. What? I have the
Asshole.
sneezes. The
Asshole.
sneezes. Maybe you need a special.
Asshole.
Whoa, my toes. So. Yo. Doctor, I have the
Asshole.
sneezes.
This asshole.
Sneezes? You need a new
Asshole. Asshole.
or
Asshole.
doctor, isn't there anything else I can do?
Why don't you just fucking die?
Beep,
robots.
Some fucking pizza.
Pizza?
Yo, basically, I'm being a firm. Up that pizza. Get your slow ass watch. My God.
Please enjoy.
Jesus fucking
You're
Christ.
going to love it. What
If
could
you're
go
hungry, I
wrong?
want first dibs. My God, what the fuck is wrong with this pizza? Holy shit!
Our story
Good
is
job, you
getting
stupid cunt,
stickier.
baby, damn it.
And
Aha, you dumb bitch, I got this tasty ass spatula first. No, dumb bitch, aha, you are still stuck.
I think we know what kind of pizza robots will love. But one very special metal pizza. Please enjoy.
Enjoy my ass. Holy shit, this is gonna be so good. Finally, some good fucking food.
Sunny skies! They're color me happy! The robots don't love our